Friday morning, December 1st, 2023, Astro Excel chart for the month ahead. We had bottomed yesterday. We've got the negative pressure is alleviating itself, and it's moving upward through today into tomorrow morning. So Saturday morning we peak out about 11, and then it turns down again, and the pressure's down until we get to the 3rd at 2200 hours, down at the minus 28 level. And then we're back up into the 5th at 4 a.m. Then we have a downward push all the way down to the 6th at 5 a.m. down to minus 21. And then we reverse back up. We peak out at plus 20, 21, 22 area at around noon on the 8th. Downward move until the 9th at 22, 2300. Then we're pushing back toward the 0 line till about 1600 on the 11th, and then we're pushing down into the 13th at midnight, and then we push up and crack up above the 0 line into the 15th, where that peaks at 8 a.m. and then we start a downward push to 8 a.m. on the 17th, 8 or 9 a.m. there, and then we're back up to about just under the plus 10 line, 1 a.m. on the 18th. Downward move toward a little double bottom on the early on the 21st, and then late on the 21st, then up to the 0 line on the 22nd at noon, back down to about 8 a.m. on the 23rd. Then we hit the holiday period where we're up, peaking out at plus 20 at 2200 on the 25th, downward pressure till midnight on the 27th, back up to 1228 at 3 a.m. And then we start to drift sideways between 0 and plus 10 the rest of the month. So that's a look at the month ahead. We'll take a look at the weekly individually. I will hit those, usually put that out on Sunday or Monday. So I'll bring the next week's forecast of the green and blue line out probably this weekend.